Radical expressions that involve the sum and difference of the same two terms are called conjugates. If we look at the first example, my first radical expression involves two terms, radical 2 and radical 3. The sign in the middle is positive. If I keep the same first term and same last term, but I switch the sign in the middle, these two radical expressions are called conjugates of each other. Let's do one more example. What if I have square root of 5 minus 11? The conjugate of this radical expression is square root of 5 plus 11. Second important note, the product of two conjugates does not contain a radical. That means when you multiply square root of 2 plus square root of 3 times square root of 2 minus square root of 3, your answer should not have any radical left. So let's practice it. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 2 times square root of 2. Second step, square root of 2 times negative square root of 3 is negative square root of 2 times square root of 3. Third step, positive radical 3 times radical 2 is positive radical 3 times radical 2. Last one, positives times negative is negative square root of 3 times square root of 3. One thing we have learned in our radical definition, especially the product rule for radicals, is that the product of two nth root, is equal to the nth root of the product of two radicands. What this means is, if you have same index and you have a radicand and you have a multiplication sign, that means, for instance, if you have something like this, then your answer should carry the same index. In our case, the index is 2, which is right here, and then you multiply the radicand inside. So your answer is square root of 4. So now let's practice these 4 terms using that product rule for radicals. This is square root of 4, square root of 6, square root of 6, and square root of 9. These two terms are like terms with opposite signs, so they cancel each other out. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3. Your answer is negative 1, and your answer does not carry any radical. Hope this will help you.